everyone. I hope you all are doing great. Welcome back to our channel Agla Same Schools. Today we will be covering chapter 13, that is surface area and volumes. So starting with the fifth exercise, our first question says a matchbox measures 4 cm into 2.5 cm into 1.5 cm. What will be the volume of packet containing 12 such boxes? So here the answer is length, that is 4 cm, which is given to us, breadth, that is 2.5 cm, height, that is 1.5 cm. So from this we can find the volume of matchbox, that is L into B into H. Now 4 multiplied by 2.5 into 1.5, which will give you 15 cm cube. For the volume of 12 boxes, we can find it as 15 into 12 cm square, that is 180 cm cube. Moving to our second question, which says a cuboidal water tank is 6 meter long, 5 meter wide and 4.5 meter deep. How many liter of water can it be hold? So length, that is 6 meter, breadth, that is 5 meter and height, that is 4.5 meter given to us. So from this we can find the volume of tank, that is L into B into H. So length, that is 6, breadth, so that is 5, height, that is 4.5. So by multiplying it we will get 135 meter cube. Further, for 1000 liters we have to multiply it by 1000, which will give you 1,35,000 liter. So the tank can hold 1,35,000 liter of water. Moving to our third question, which says a cuboidal vessel is 10 meter long and 8 meter wide. How high must it be made to hold 380 cubic meter of liquid? So length, that is 10 given, B, that is breadth 8 meter given to us, and height we have to find. So here the volume of vessel, which is 380 given. So applying the formula, that is L into B into H, we will get height as 4.75 meter. Further, moving to question number 4, which says find the cost of digging a cuboidal pit 8 meter long, 6 meter broad and 3 meter deep at the rate of rupees 30 per meter square. So length, height, breadth is given to us, that is 8 meter, 6 meter and 3 meter. Volume of pit we can find it as L into B into H. So will be our 144 meter cube. Further, cost of digging 1 meter cube, that is rupees 30 given to us. We can find the cost of digging 144 meter cube by multiplying it by 30. So our answer will be rupees 4,320. Moving to question number 5, which says the capacity of cuboidal tank is 50,000 liter of water. Find the breadth of the tank, its length and the depth are 2.5 meter and 10 meter. So length and height given to us, we have to find the breadth. So capacity of tank, that is 50,000 liter. So 50,000 divided by 1000 meters cube will be 50 meter cube. Now the capacity of tank, that is L into B into H, we can find it from it as breadth, that is 2. So the breadth of the tank is 2 meter. Moving to question number 6, which says a village having a population of 4,000 requires 150 liter of water per head per day. It has a tank measuring 20 meter, 15 meter and 6 meter. For how many days will the water of the tank last? So here the answer is, that is length 20 meter, breadth, that is 15 meter, height, that is 6 meter. So population of village, that is 4,000. Water consumed by one person, that is 150 liter in one day. So water consumed by 4,000 persons will be 4,000 into 150 liter divided by 1,000. So also the capacity of tank, that is L into B into H, which will be 20 into 15 into 6 meter cube, that is 1800. Further moving, required number of days, that is volume of tank divided by water consumed in one day, is equal to 1800 divided by 600, which will give you 3. So hence water tank will last for 3 days. Further, moving to question number 7, which says a go down measures 40 meter into 25 meter into 10 meter. So find the maximum number of wooden crates, each measuring 1.5 meter into 1.25 meter into 0.5 meter, that can be stored in the go down. So answer is volume of go down, that is 40 into 25 into 10 meter cube. So the volume of one wooden crate, that is 1.5 into 1.25 into 0.5 meter cube. So required number of crates, that is 40 into 25 into 10 divided by 1.5 into 1.25 into 0.5. So answer will be 10666.67. Hence the maximum number of wooden crates that can be stored in the go down is equal to 10666.67. Moving to question number 8, which says a solid cube of side 12 cm is cut into 8 cubes of equal volume. What will be the side of a new cube? Also find the ratio between their surface area. Here A is equal to 10 cm, that is given to us. So volume of cube is A cube. So A, that is 12 whole cube, will be our 1728 centimeter cube. So volume of one smaller cube, that is 1728 divided by 8, which will give you 216 centimeter cube. So let the side of a new cube, that is capital A. So A cube, that is 216. So A will be 6. So total surface area of bigger cube, that is 6A square, will give you 6 into 12 whole square, that is 6 into 12 into 12. Further moving, the total surface area of smaller cube, that is 6 capital A square, will give you 6 into 6 into 6 centimeter square. So required ratio is 6 into 12 into 12 divided by 6 into 6 into 6. That will give you 4:1. Moving to a ninth and the last question of this exercise, which says a river 3 meter deep and 40 meter wide is flowing at the rate of 2 km per hour. How much water will fall into the sea in a minute? Breadth, that is 40, height, that is 3 meter, length, that is 2 km. So converting this kilometer into meter, which will give you 2000 meter. So volume of water flowing through river is in 1 hour is L into B into H, that is 2000 into 40 into 3. And the volume of water flowing through river in 1 minute is 2000 into 40 into 3 divided by 60, which will give you 4000 meter cube. So this is all from this exercise, guys. If you have any query or any doubt related to any of the question, please put your query in the comment section below. For regular updates and information, please subscribe to our channel Agla Same Schools. We wish you a safe life and do take care of yourself.